Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Nobody help me. My backpack's too full.
Ellie was squatting down too.
Help me, Chase. Help me. Help me, Ellie. Help me. Nobody help me.
This is finished. I'm happy with it. We gotta put stuff on it, but it's been finished and it's complete with Kim's donkey. Here's the other problem. We had a water leak. Ended up replacing this water heater, and before it did not have a pan. It messed our floor up. You can see this big crack. You can see the fact that it's raised up right there. It's messed up here. It's messed up all in our room. So I can pull this up, redo it, and I should be able to put it back down, but it looks like some of these are gonna need to be replaced. Now then, the moment you've all been waiting for. Look at this. So molded up. Look at all that mold. Surprised we're not dead. I don't know how long the thing's been leaking, but it's been leaking for a while, because it seemed to me like we were having problems not long after we moved in. This has got to dry. It has held moisture. Once it dries, I'll clean it up and kill any mold that's on there. I got all the areas identified, and I have just sprayed bleach on what's left where the mold was growing. I'll let that dry, and then some of this was still kind of wet because it was on top of the vapor barrier and underneath the vapor barrier, so it was just sitting in there, and it wasn't drying. I'm really concerned about the mold, and I didn't want to take this wall out, so I got my little scope camera that I use for vehicles when I'm working on them. I'm gonna just scope this area. Let's take a look in here. You can see on the screen maybe that it is very clean back in there. Thank God. That is, oh no, there's some kind of alien spider.
That's real cool.
It is cool. You can stick this thing in your nose. It's so small.
That's not cool though.
Trying to see where there's some discoloration, but it looks like the insulation from the attic, so I'm not too worried about that.